Hey everyone, Catherine and Erica here from Catherine Pooler Designs. Are you ready to hot foil with us?
I'm ready.
With our Feeling Fall release, we have our first set of foiling products. So let's take a look.
They're pretty hot.
They are hot. All right, so let's take a look at these hot foil products. First up, we have the Swirling Leaves hot foil plate. We have the rattan hot foil plate. Erica's pretty excited about this one.
I am. I just absolutely love this pattern in real life. So, woo, it looks pretty foiled.
And then with these two backgrounds, you are going to need the large rectangle hot foil plate. And we're going to show you why it's such a necessity. Before we get to the last one, can anyone take a guess as to what color our hot foil plates are?
Ooh, I know.
One of the reasons we have it in this special color is because hello, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
But also so that you know when you get a set of hot foils, when you get the dye that goes with it, you know that it goes with your hot foil.
Yeah. You find a teal dye on your surface of your crafty table.
You know it goes with hot foil plates. Yeah. Here is big thanks. This is the hot foil sentiment, and then here is the dye that cuts it out. This is double duty, so this is really a great value getting them together like this. Thankful for you. Here we go. There's what it looks like when it's die cut.
So stunning.
It's really beautiful. So
what was that color, Catherine?
I haven't said yet. Is anybody guessed? In the Feeling Fall release, we have a set of stamps that are similar to this. Some of the sizing is a little bit different, so that is also another reason why this comes in handy. You're gonna always know that this color die goes with the hot foil plates and not with the stamps.
Yes.
So, guessing, dun dun dun, our hot foil plates are aquatini.
Yay, of course they are. That's our classic CP color.
So Erica, what is the first thing I'm gonna do when I want a hot foil? So I have my Gemini foil press machine on.
Yes, our hot foil plates are compatible with both the Gemini foil press and the Glimmer machine. We have a Gemini here, and so you're gonna want to follow your manufacturer's instructions, but we found that we liked working on the medium. So we're gonna turn it on and put it on medium setting, and then we're gonna let that heat up. So the light will turn green when that is ready for the next step. And we liked about 13 seconds. It says like 10 to 15, and 13 is like a nice happy medium.
Sometimes we go little longer for larger hot foil plates, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we have some hot foil in our shop, so definitely hop over to shop.catherinepooler.com and check out our selection. Here shown is the Glimmer hot foil, and this is very metallic. We have the Gemini foil press foil in sparkle and champagne. This is obviously a metallic, but it's a little bit more of a flat, where this is a shiny. So all of these are going to look great on your hot foil projects. I think I would like to use this bronzy color. How about it?
That's beautiful.
Okay, so I've already cut it.
Okay, so you're gonna lay it the color side down over the surface of your hot foil plate, and then add your paper layer, a little cover plate, and press start.
So we're letting it heat up for 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
It's ready. All right, so we're going to carefully feed it into the Gemini Jr. And again, you're going to want to follow your manufacturer's instructions. If you have the shimmer, for instance, you can use it with Big Shot.
If the plates feel hot to you, they have these gripper thingies you can use.
Through your oven mitts.
Your little oven mitts. All right, ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this is going to be gorgeous. Yes.
Stunning.
Look at that beauty.
Wow, I love that copper color for that fall leaf.
It is
swirl.
stunning. So, friends, look, I still have this beautiful piece of foil. So what am I going to do with that?
We're going to put on our large rectangle plate and let that get preheated for a few seconds.
And then we're going to take the negative of the swirling leaves.
Again, we're going to put that face down.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
And with this, because you cut your edges so neat and clean, it's gonna really help.
Try not to move it, but I did. All right, then we'll add this little pad on top and hit the start button. So we'll take this and feed it through the Gemini.
Excited for this. All right, let's
the moment
see what
we've
that did.
all been waiting for. Peel this back. Okay, when I'm peeling, all of that foil did not transfer. That means my plate was not hot enough.
Yeah.
So I can stick that back on and I can do it again. It's fine. So we'll let it sit for a minute. Okay, and meanwhile, it's paper craft. It doesn't always come out perfect. On this little piece, some of the image did not transfer up here. I don't know if I didn't have it hot enough or what was going on there. But I could take this part and die cut it with a square or a rectangle or a circle die, and I can still use this piece. All is not lost. Or you could use it on your card and put your greeting over the top of here or whatever. So don't get discouraged if you have pieces that don't come out perfectly. Send this through again. All right, let's see how this is. Okay, we're gonna peel this back. Oh, that's much better.
Gorgeous.
So no waste here, my friends. Just a little bit of an investment in that plate and you get double duty out of all of your foil. Here are two made with gold foil.
That is so stunning.
I can't wait to put these on some cards. I don't have any cards made with these yet, but I will. Let's give a try with the rattan foil plate.
Yes.
So I'm using this kind of gunmetal steel gray color from this pack. So we added our foil, added our paper, add the little plate on top and hit start. All right, then we'll take this and run it through the Gemini.
I absolutely love this pattern. So I can't wait to see how it comes out.
I can't wait to see it in this color because I've seen this, how it comes out.
But not in
this color. So let's do it.
Yay.
Ready? Dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness.
That is stunning.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a stunner.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
And it picks up color and stuff from that is
Okay,
pretty.
that is gorgeous.
We have amazed ourselves.
Yes, we get very excited. Okay, so here is the same pattern in gold, and here is that negative using this solid rectangle. And then, hello, on craft cardstock.
Gorgeous.
I even did one where I direct to paper flirty fuchsia and then did the negative. So a lot of different ways you can use it.
That's super cool.
I do have a couple cards. This is a little sneak peek of our Feeling Fall collection, some of the products that are coming out. So you can see how we use those background pieces on the cards.
Gorgeous.
Okay, and then we have the sentiments. So here is a little peek at what they look like. Da, da, da. I can't wait to adorn all kinds of projects with these dies.
And they just look so fancy.
So fancy, very classy, very upscale. So our first set of hot foil products are hitting the shop with the Feeling Fall collection. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way using these products. And thanks for hanging out with us. If you're new, be sure to subscribe to our channel so we can see you again.
Oh yeah, we don't want you to miss out on anything.
Have a great day.
Bye.